Alright guys, so I'm just going to do a little review on my new keyboard and mouse here. Well, not review. I'm going to do an unboxing. Alright, so here's, it's the Commander Gaming Gear Combo. As you guys know, I just got my computer in from Florida like last week. In the process, he only sent me the keyboard. Yes, I have plenty of mouses, but it was kind of a bummer, so I was like, fuck it, let's get a new keyboard and mouse. Alright, so Commander Gaming Gear Combo. So, I didn't even unopened it yet. And we're just gonna, all I did was cut the plastic right here. Alright, get this box nice and opened here, and where's my key? Where's my keyboard? Where is it? It's just an empty box. Nah. Just kidding. It's right here. Alright. So, this is it. It has a backlight on it. It is a TT whatever. It's Thermaltake. TTES Sports. Nice little dragon logo there. This is the mouse. It's got 4 DPI settings. I don't really play with them. I got it because it's a gaming mouse. Whatever. It doesn't really bother me. Yeah, right now I am using this thing from the pharmacy from when I got my root canal. It came with like the information on it, but I'm using the side with the sunburn tips. Not that I care, because I'm from Florida and sunburn, yeah, this shit out here isn't gonna sunburn me. Anyway, so it's got the forward and back button right here on the side of the mouse. It's pretty smooth. I do need to get a mouse pad, but it's smooth. If you guys can see the mouse here. My girlfriend would be mad if I showed that photo. I might cut that out. Anyway, so the keyboard is nice and smooth. It is a plunger keyboard. Let's pull something up on the computer here where I can just go type away. The mouse is pretty loud, clickable. Anyway, so like I said, it's a plunger keyboard, but it sounds like a mechanical keyboard. It's got the nice feature drainable keys. So if you fuck up, you get some slots here to drain shit out of, which is nice. I like the backdrop of it. Of course I did. Sorry guys. I flipped the little flapper down on there. So it's got an FN key, kind of like the keyboards do a lot of the times, which controls like the backlight. Let me read what else it controls, because I'm sure I won't use half the shit. Repeat rate, adjustable media keys, which are up here at the top, which I may use, I may not use, I'm not sure. Shortcut keys, which I probably won't use either. Like I said, the LED adjustable light. The backlight mode button, which is right here, and the FN button. That's it. The repeat rate adjustable Windows key lock function. switchable WASD. Yeah. Anyway, so that's just about everything with this keyboard. The DPI settings are 800, 1200, 1600, and 2400. Which are, you can see that. Anyway, I like it. I've used it for about a week now. I still haven't gotten the whole gaming aspect out of it. I do a lot of video editing, which you're probably like, why do you even need that? Well, because I do game too. But I video edit for you guys a lot of the times. I try not to slack on that. So that's where my, so I wanted a nice keyboard. It's wired. I was having a kind of, the reason I have this piece of paper down was because I was having a hard time with the Wi-Fi one, or wireless one, and so, and then I just was like, fuck this shit. I'm just gonna buy a fucking wired one and say, fuck it. You know, most people, yes, you see drugs over there. The drugs from the doctor, the pharmacy. Anyway, and my Rockstar for the day, because we can get dollar Rockstars where I work. Anyway, I don't know if they want me to say that on camera. I mean, like, it's a banging ass deal. Let's just put it this way, they're half off, basically. They're normally like $2. I just think half off Rockstars. Boop, 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 boop. Anyway, pina colada is the best. My girlfriend likes these, the sugar-free ones. Anyway, guys, so that's my thing for the day. Well, actually, you guys got 2 videos out of me today. Anyway, that's it for now. And then, oh yeah, say hi to everybody back here. We got Kenny, Chucky, Alien Dude, who loves Mars, Patrick, Frankenstein's wife, and Scooby-Doo, who I really need to send to my nephew. So, and then we got the Aristocats girl. My girlfriend likes Aristocats. We were supposed to name she was supposed to name the cat after her, but she wasn't white enough, so she said never mind. But yeah, got some Pokemon cards there. Pokemon, gotta get your ball. Pokemon, which I got this too. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Alright guys, over and out tonight.